good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is maturity, the state, science and art towards mastery. Ladies and gentlemen, across the vast expanse of human evolution, the journey from infancy to adulthood has often been marked by visible milestones of age, education, profession, and responsibility. Yet, beyond biology and chronology lies a more complex, less defined plane of maturity. Is it merely a mental state reached at a certain age, or is it a multi-dimensional phenomena involving awareness, resilience, empathy, and purpose? The question remains. In a world seeking both progress and meaning, understanding maturity is no longer optional, it is essential. Maturity cannot be universally pegged to a number. While legal systems assign ages to mark adulthood, true maturity is shaped by a confluence of factors: neurological development, emotional regulation, environmental stimuli, and socio-cultural expectations. Neuroscience points to the prefrontal cortex, the seat of decision-making and impulse control, maturing well into the mid-20s. Yet, even this physiological fact offers only a partial view. Psychology adds emotional intelligence and self-reflection to the equation, while sociology integrates empathy, responsibility, and alignment with shared values. Expectations of maturity differ between the individual and society. For the individual, it may mean emotional stability, ethical judgment, or life readiness. For society, it represents reliability, contribution, and adherence to collective norms. These benchmarks have evolved. Ancient communities once expected maturity upon initiation rituals. Modern societies now wrestle with its ambiguity amid prolonged adolescence and digital hyperconnectivity. Families and educational structures remain the first laboratories for maturity. Yet often these systems focus on performance, not perspective. As a result, many individuals cross the age thresholds without the awareness of what it truly means to be mature. Modern disconnects emerge where individuals wield influence without accountability, or societies demand outcomes without nurturing depth. In many cultures, the role of elders as wisdom keepers has faded, leaving a vacuum in intergenerational guidance. There are no universally accepted references or scales to measure maturity, but across time and cultures, traits like patience, discernment, humility, and responsibility have consistently surfaced as indicators. Ancient philosophies, Confucian, Stoic, Vedic, and indigenous view maturity not as an endpoint but as a lifelong practice rooted in self mastery and contribution to the whole. What's the way forward? Maturity is not a certificate, it is a craft. It can be cultivated through conscious introspection, compassionate action, and a deepened awareness of one's interconnected role in society and on the planet. To begin this transformation, individuals can reflect daily on three core questions. One, did I respond instead of react today? Second, did I listen with intent to understand? And third, did I leave the moment better than I found it? These simple checkpoints can recalibrate behaviors and instill an inner compass. Building maturity also involves expanding one's emotional vocabulary, learning to sit with discomfort, and embracing delayed gratification. Mentorship, whether through books, elders, or conscious peer groups, offers vital mirrors for growth. Regular self-audits, journaling, and observing one's patterns in relationships reveal both blind spots and strengths. Maturity grows when one is both a seeker and a student. Incorporating ancient wisdom traditions, including mindfulness practices, ethical frameworks grounded in timeless values, or stoic journaling, provides timeless frameworks. They encourage balance, clarity, and detachment, not from people, but from ego-driven impulses. In a world obsessed with speed, maturity often lies in choosing depth. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when maturity is seen not as a burden but as a noble craft, individuals transform into architects of more thoughtful, just, and sustainable societies. In this reframed vision, maturity becomes less about reaching an age and more about reaching a depth of understanding, of responsibility, and of care. As humanity faces shared global challenges, a collective shift towards mature thinking may well be the missing ingredient in building not just smarter but wiser civilizations. As the Bhagavad Gita so profoundly states, one who is equal to friends and enemies, equipoised in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and distress, such a person is said to be transcendental. This equilibrium of the inner world is perhaps the most enduring mark of maturity, an art of being that shapes not just a better self, but a better world. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.